Bonang's giving away 3 of her fave gowns to fans for their matric dance. As Women's Month comes to an end, Bonang Matheba has announced that 3 lucky fans can end up wearing one of her designer gowns to their matric dance. Be announced on Thursday that she has decided to give away 3 of her favorite red carpet dresses. I've had a most blessed month and want to share in my success by acknowledging others and encouraging individuals to feel strong, beautiful, and empowered. So I'm giving 3 young ladies the chance to win one of my red carpet stunners and to be the queen of their matric dances. As Women's Month comes to a close, I want us to remind each other that we are all queens in our own unique way. The 3 young women will also be styled by B's Glam Squad. Interested young ladies can email their motivations to womenofthefuture@bonangmatheba.com. Winners will be announced on September 10th.
Yeah.